गुड मॉर्निंग दी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12। आज आप लोगों को दी होम कमिंग अप पेज नंबर 36 से एक्सरसाइज बता रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन नॉट मोर देन 30 वर्ड। निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर 30 शब्द से ज़्यादा मत दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज फटिक चक्रवर्ती। फटिक चक्रवर्ती कौन था? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बॉय वाज ही, वो किस प्रकार का लड़का था? आंसर, फटिक चक्रवर्ती was a ringleader of the village boys and he was a naughty boy and always he do naughty things. Question number 2, why were the boys puzzled? What did they do then? लड़के क्यों जो समस्या में हो गए, इसके लिए वे क्या किए? The boys were puzzled because Makhan, who was the brother of Fatik, was sat on the log which was in the mud, and then they roast the log with Makhan pushing into the mud. Question number 3, why ought Fatik carry out his threat? फटिक को अपनी जो धमकी के क्यों पालन करना पड़ा? फटिक ought to carry out his threat. Answer, Fatik carry out his threat because it was a matter of his honor before the public and he was very popular among the boys of the village. Otherwise, he felt disgrace. Question number 4, why did Makhan rush at Fatik, beat and kick him also? माखन जो है फटिक की तरफ मारने और उसको पैर से पीटने और पैर से मारने के लिए क्यों दौड़ा? आंसर, माखन रश्ड एट फटिक, beat and kick him also because Fatik scratched Makhan scratched over his face and he was pushed into the mud by the group of the boys, so Makhan felt dishonor. Question number 5, what was Fatik doing when the stranger stepped on the shore? फटिक क्या कर रहा था जब वह अजनबी जो है नदी किनारे कदम रखा? आंसर, Fatik was doing nothing when the stranger stepped on the shore. He was only leading the boys and he was chewing a piece of grass. Question number 6, why did mother believe Makhan and start to beat Fatik? माँ क्यों विश्वास की कि माखन और फटिक में लड़ाई शुरू हुई? आंसर, मदर बिलीव्ड माखन and started to beat Fatik because Makhan came back to home weeping and he told all the matter to mother and already Fatik was a naughty boy. Question number 7, who was the stranger? अजनबी कौन था? and what did the mother say to him? माँ उससे क्या बोली? Answer, the stranger was the uncle of Fatik and Makhan, or he was the brother of Fatik's mother, and the mother said to him that Dada, why when have you come from Calcutta? Question number 8. Why did December come after such a long time? दिसंबर इतने लंबे समय बाद क्यों आया? Answer. December came after such a long time because he left his home just after the marriage of his sister or Fatik's mother, and he was settled down in Mumbai. And meanwhile, Fatik's father had passed away, and then he returned to Calcutta, and he was extremely busy in his business, so he did not find time to come home. Question number 9. Why did Fatik want to go with uncle as soon as possible? फटिक जल्दी से जल्दी अपने मामा के साथ जो है क्यों जाना चाहता था? आंसर. फटिक वांटेड टू गो विथ uncle as soon as possible because he was totally lost in the dream of to go Calcutta, and it seemed for him as a heaven. Question number 10. What is the worst nuisance in this world of human affair? इस संसार में मनुष्य कार्य में सबसे कष्टदायक क्या होता है? The worst nuisance in this world of human affairs is a boy of the age of 14 because he is never ornamental or nor he the dignity of a family. A boy of the age of 14 only gives the nuisance of a family. Thanks. Jai Hind.